Hi everyone! So today I wanted to share with you a few things that have totally saved my life for the past few weeks. I have been a part of 2 weddings and I think I've attended 4 in the past little while. So it's definitely been a wedding filled year and I have a few items that I think you can't live without when it comes to big events and your clutch bag, what you need to keep with you for a really smooth sailing event, especially a wedding. And especially if you are a maid of honor. So let's start with prep. Before you get ready for this special day, you should definitely think about it a few weeks in advance how you're going to prepare yourself. Me, for example, I sometimes suffer from breakouts on my chest and back, so I'm using retinol to try and combat that. I love the bakuchiol pads from Indeed Labs, or even just like a Retin-A Differin style cream from a dermatologist. Those both work well, but you need to start those kind of months in advance. So keep that in mind, some way to kind of combat bacteria on your skin. Now, as for the face, Neostrata is a brand that I've loved for a really long time, and they have some really cool fast-acting products. So this is a pure hyaluronic biocellulose mask. This is a one-time use sheet mask, and I do not go to bed without one of these on before a wedding. Now, I will put it on for maybe 10-15 minutes, max 25 minutes, take it off, tap in all the essence, kind of carry it down onto my neck, go to sleep, then I definitely need to wash my face in the morning. This is great because the hyaluronic acid plumps up your skin, calms any redness, and usually doesn't clog your pores at all, so would definitely recommend this if you're going to be in photos. Also, sleep a lot. That's a given. These hyaluronic acid micro infusion patches are brand new from the brand. They actually have 100% hyaluronic acid in little, like, encapsulated bubbles in these patches. So you apply it onto your face, and these little kind of bubbles inside will enter into your skin and inject 100% hyaluronic acid. That's pretty much like getting fillers. It is temporary, like fillers, but it's non-invasive and delivers the plumping ingredient right into your skin in 100% form. I have not tried these yet, but I definitely will because I usually get lines just around my mouth, like marionette smile lines. Nothing I'm concerned about, but I feel like that could be really, really effective. And just such incredible technology. They have all of their regular products that we know and love, like glycolic polishes and filling cream, firming and lifting serum here, just some really amazing high quality items, and usually the prices aren't too bad. Oh, this one is so good, the face peel, and my skin's sensitive and I can use this with no reaction. It is the 20% AHA dual action anti-aging peel. Try this. It is so good. Alrighty, now moving on to legs and body. This Nair leg mask, I just used it 2 nights ago and it worked so well. This is like the Nair depilatory cream with a face mask in it for your legs. So it goes on as a gray mask, and the scent is really good. You keep it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. It says 5 to 10 minutes. Don't exceed 10 minutes. Whatever. 10 minutes. And then you rub it off in the shower and your hair all comes off with it. This is the new leg mask. It's supposed to brighten and smooth, so I'm so excited to try this because I hate shaving. I'm getting laser hair removal, but it's not only on my lower legs, not the thighs and stuff, so doing that. At the same time, I'm going to multi-mask legs and face. I'm going to use this Avon Clear Skin Mask. Haven't tried it yet, but I'm super excited to. After I shower, I'm going to use 2 exciting products from Saint Tropez. One of them I've used a lot before. It is the Self-Tan Purity Face Spray. This is a clear mist that you put onto your face, and then the tan gradually develops. I'm also going to use the brand new bronzing water gel for the body. So after I do the masks, I'm going to finish my shower and then do the bronzers. Also, by the way, I'm going to put masks on dry skin, shower, hair, get out, do my tan, makeup and hair, and then I can go. The leg mask is on.
It's tingly like usual Nair. Also, do not wear rings when you are applying it because then it gets all streaky. But yeah, it feels good and I'm excited to wash off in 10 minutes.
I also have my charcoal mask on. This is the Avon Clear Start Pore Penetrating Mask. I would traditionally apply it with my silly sponge, like that little silicone applicator from Dollarama, but I have it aside for a video, so I just went quick with my fingers, but the sponge silicone applicator makes it so easy so that you don't get all the mask under your nails. So I've heard that it's actually not good to leave your mask on for too long because it can start to dry out your skin. So now that mine is just drying a bit and my legs have been marinating for 10 minutes, time to hop in the shower. Alright, so this little thing, it's a Dermalogica makeup remover pad. It's like a little silicone grippy pad. It came with my Cleanse Off Balm. It worked so well to remove both the nair on my legs and my face mask. In addition, another thing I love is the Vaseline Spray and Go moisturizer for when I'm in like a huge rush and I just need a quick bit of moisturizer. I'll spray some of that on. So, right off the bat, I'm going to do my Saint Tropez mist. First thing out of the shower. Okay, this stuff is so interesting. It's kind of thick and sticky, but it went on well, and you can adjust the cap to either give you more or less. So yeah, I like it, and let's see how it develops. I have my fancy little trimmer right here. It's by Wall, and I'm going to use this to trim my arm hair. Now, it's not that noticeable, but I do like having smoother arms, especially when I'm about to put on my self-tan. I'm going to try out my brand new Whipped Marshmallow self-tanner. Following that, I'm going to do my nails, fingers and toes, and I will show you what colors I'm using. I'm going to be doing ombre pink for the fingers and then sparkly pink on the toes. This is everything I use. I wear a mask, some of my tools, cuticle remover, base and top coat, little nail brush, alcohol, and this is a really luxe cloth. It's a mitt that I'm going to use for my tanner. These two come together. And
this is what the sparkly pink looks like. I did put it on my toes for that week. And this is my beautiful pink ombre. Woohoo! I am so obsessed with the golden glow shimmer that you get from the Cocoa Bronze Golden Goddess Dry Oil. And I always use this before a big event on my shoulders, arms, and legs. I'm spraying some mousse into my hair right now. This Aquas towel is like super absorbent, so love using it. And this is some heat protector. To smooth out my bangs, I use my new Amika heated round brush. So I'll just kind of brush it through like a straightener, but it creates so much volume, kind of doesn't flatten out or remove any of the volume. It's so good. I'll use it to curl my ends under too if they're sticking out. So nice. So then for the bangs, just kind of brush them forward, then run them through the brush, picking them up as I go, and just letting them out. Like,
if you are somebody that has sweaty feet, me, you can get foot powders to kind of absorb the sweat and make sure that your shoes don't rub and cause blisters. But my favorite trick are nylons. I try my very best to never wear open-toed shoes if I can, because closed-toed shoes plus nylons, match made in heaven. These ones are from Costco. You can get ones anywhere. The Bay will probably have better options. The nylons just create the best slip surface so that your shoes don't rub, your feet don't get too sweaty and smelly, and you just will thank me once you feel how great life is with nylons. I don't really like to bring a ton of extra flip-flops and shoes all the time, so these will save you. You can dance the night away with no blisters. I've used these too many times to count, so it works. 2 more things you need. Tissues, obviously, but also using tissues to blot oil is essential. You can keep a powder too in your bag, but I love tissues for just soaking up a bit of the oil, and toilet paper works too, but these are softer. Finally, a little Swiss Army knife. You never know if you're gonna need scissors or a toothpick or tweezers, so keep one of these in your bag. Just don't get it confiscated. And even just in your bridal suite. Also a sewing kit. Extra button, and safety pins. You might need them. Keep them on hand for any emergencies, and thank me later. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know if I forgot anything or if you found out some new tips on any new products. I love this. I can't wait to use it again. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. Bye!